Hello, everyone. Can you guys hear me? Are you all excited tonight? Because I think I am. All right, who wants to hear Nazra's story? Y'all do? Okay. I wish I was the queen of the jungle. I just have to grow a little more. I wish I had a great big teeth and a very scary roar. I wish I could help the homeless and all my friends that care. I would build a very big den. There will be no more nightmares. And that is her den. Can they see? Next page. I wish I could feed the hungry. I would give them great big feast. We would all eat forever. It will be my treat. I wish I could teach in the jungle. We would all love to read. We would have the best schools. Books would grow on trees. And that's Nazra and all her friends. And in that page, it says, we are the agents of change. You all are the agents of change. You guys are our future. And then she goes, I wish I could protect the jungle from all that want to do bad. I would be the strongest queen the jungle ever had. So Nazra wants to protect our nation from all the people that are doing bad things to our countries.
Actually, this is like the first Somali event that I've ever been to. So that itself is like amazing. And I'm very happy that Somali Week Festival have invited me to be part of this event this year because I actually had an incredible experience. And it's amazing. I'm very proud of you guys for bringing Somalis from all over the world together in just one space and bringing all their creativity and different talents that they all have that they can share it with their people. So then the event today, I had the opportunity to entertain the Somali kids. Like this was like the first time I actually had all Somali kids. So it was so emotional. And I never thought that this was gonna come, but you guys made it happen for me.
How did you find the event today, Somali Week Festival Children's Day? Did you like it?
Yes.
What was the event about today?
About Somali.
It was a book.
A book. Okay.
So we read a book, and when we read the book, someone asked us some questions. And then after we asked the questions, and then she answered, and she answered it good. And I like her book. And also, there was also a Somali quiz. And the quiz was to test your Somali knowledge. And I really liked it.
My favourite part was when she told the story because I really enjoyed the story and it made me feel mixed emotions.
Oh, that's lovely. Okay, what about you? What did you like about the event today?
I liked about the event that we get it to watch like a show and get it to play a quiz.
Nice, that's wonderful. What about you?
I love the quiz. It's because when we did the quiz, we asked so many questions. And we both of the teams had a tie, and I really like Nasra's books.
Oh, amazing! Did you buy Nasra's book?
Yes.
Yes. Oh.
And I like her signature.
Oh, lovely. Okay. Next, what did you like about the event? Your favourite part of the event?
My favorite part of the event was when we were dancing.
Yes. to Somali music?
Yeah.
Yes. You enjoyed that?
Yeah.
Amazing. What about you?
My favorite part was when we did the quiz, because we learned about our heritage and what language we speak, and I learned some words that I never knew before.
Game kahadowto ereyadu bahantiin. You know the game afterwards, you're going to need a lot of vocabulary. So you remember as much as you can. So now we've got the fourth one. There he is in the little circle with the long pointed ears. What is he saying? Durwagi afarad ba waranki. You know, telling his story. La wareego yiri wagi hore waataydun ogeydeen oo meel dheer baan wax ka maqli jiray. Imikase maqalba ma jiro. Dhegihii way awdmoona waa dam. Sidaas oo tahay eeba mahadi ha ka gaadhee 7 tog oo biyo maraan ka u shisheeya sagaarada fadhida ayaan raamsigeeda maqlaa goortay qarjam leedahay maqalba halkaas ayaan ka joogaa. So this is the fourth one. The fourth hyena said, long ago, you remember how I could hear from afar? Alas, now there is no hearing left in me. I am totally deaf, dim. Even though that is so, may my thanks reach God that at the furthest of 7 water-filled valleys, I can hear the chewing of a dik-dik when she mumbles, qarcham, qarcham, qarcham. If you can call this hearing at all. Imagine that. 7 valleys away, he can hear a small dik-dik, a small little deer. He can hear her chewing grass. But he says he has no hearing. He has no hearing. So this is the story of the 4 hyenas, the insatiable. They're never satisfied. Can you see? You can see? But do you reckon that they were telling the truth? Were they right to say, I am blind, I am deaf, I have no legs? Were they right to say all of that? What's the proof? Come, tell us what you think. They shouldn't.
They shouldn't say that because they still have hearing, but it's not as good as they used to. And they should still be thankful for what they already still have.
So when we say the insatiable, they're never satisfied. Do you think that's true?
Yeah.
It's true.
Yeah, it's true.
Thank you very much. Magad? Jazakallah khair. Okay, so that's the story of the 4 hyenas. In qaabkan soo diyaariyay buugtan runtii caruurtan qurbaha joogta system waxbarasho ayay la qabsadeen oo ay iskuulada ay tagaan ay kala kulmaan. Marka anigu waxaan isku taxaluujiyay in aan sida ay iskuulada kala kulmaan in af Soomaaliga aan ugu dhigo. Waxba kagama duwana afaf kale baranayaan. Carabi bay ku bartaan, Spanish bay ku bartaan, Faransiis bay ku bartaan. Afi waa af marka systemkaas ayaan. Waxa iska jira manhaj afafka lagu dhigo. Manhajkaas ayaan ana daba galay oo aan ku saleeyay. Marka buugtay marka daadah kaas buug daadah waa 1 iyo 2 af ku dhiga. af markaad dhiganaysidna had jeer waxaad u baahan tahay qalab kale waxaad maar kale u baahan tahay resources baad u baahan tahay buug la akhriyo jaraa'id music and aflam waxyaabahaas aad u baahan tahay marka kuwana inay si haboon u qornaadaan bay tahay caruurtu wadankan wax ku dhigtaan ciyaar bay inta badan wax ku bartaan marka waa muhiim in caruurtu ciyaar wax loo imka table-kii goordhaweyto caruur badan baa leedahay Soomaali ma garanayno laakiin markay sheekada ciyaar isku bedeshay engage bay ahaayeen aad bay ula falgaleen ciyaartii marka in caruurta ciyaar wax loogu gudbiyo iyaduna waa nashqad kale ama system kale oo la dabageli karo. This is just practice. What practice imaka. So for example imaka waxaanu helnay get. We've got get. What can start with G? Get. The sound get in Somali. Okay. Hey, you shake. Yeah? Good. Excellent. So already, why not? You need to consult and say we're going to give like 5 words.
So my book, it's called It Only Takes One Yes, and it's about like an 8-year-old Somali girl who has like a lot of hope for the world and who wants to make the world a better place for children and for everyone else and also like and she's doing that through the UN global goals.